Snoring is a major annoyance that not only causes health problems, but it can also destroy relationships. VitalSleep is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that will restore a restful night's sleep for you and your partner. Unlike other devices, VitalSleep targets the main cause of snoring, which is a partial obstruction of the airway. It's the only device with the patented AccuAdjust system that allows for calibrated jaw positioning based on the snoring intensity. This opens the airway, allowing for easier breathing and quiet sleep.